Wake up, Muffin! We have so much to do!
Mro.
Ooh, tractor timeout! Miss Rowe. Chitter. Purr. Purr.
Oh, heavy.
Chatter. Chatter, chatter.
Mro?
Ooh, these are heavy.
Perfect. Chattering.
Ooh, lemonade.
Good job, Max. Very good.
Good morning, farm. What adventures await today?
Mro?
Almost. Got it. Oh no, the nest. Mro,
Must go. Must help.
Whoa! A little high, but I can do it.
Which one is go? Success!
Steady, steady! Almost there.
Good job, old friend.
Meow.
Careful, Muffin. Little ones are here. Don't worry, little ones. Max is here.
Hold tight, friends. Home we go. Safe at last. Almost there.
There, warm and safe.
Mro? Good for little tummies.
Just a little more. Good little one.
They'll be strong again soon.
All is well. Good day.
Oh, look at these pretty flowers. So vibrant. Huh? What was that?
Sounded sad.
Oh no! A baby deer! It's stuck in the pond!
How can I reach it? Wait, the excavator!
Muffin, I've got a plan. The excavator will help.
All right, Max, time to be a hero!
Chattering sounds.
Mro! Hold on, little one. Max is here to help.
Oh, almost there. Hold tight. Almost on dry land. You're safe now, little one. Welcome back to dry land.
See, Muffin? We did it!
You must be hunger after all that, little one. Banana for a brave deer.
Good job. See? Bananas are delicious.
You're all safe and sound now, little friend. What a day!